Today, I'll walk you through how to import a bank statement into Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly upload your bank transactions so you can keep your financial records up to date and organized. Let's dive right in. Begin by signing into your Xero account. If you're new to Xero, think of it as your digital filing cabinet, a place where all your financial documents are neatly stored and easily accessible. Once you're logged in, head to the top menu. Click on Accounting and then select Bank Accounts. This is where all your financial activity is centralized. Next, open the bank account you wish to update. You'll see a Manage Account option. Click on it. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero often updates its interface to improve user experience. Now choose Import a Statement. This is like adding a new file to your digital cabinet. You'll need to select a bank statement file from your computer. Make sure it's in a compatible format such as CSV or OFX. Think of this step as choosing the right key to unlock the information you need. Once you've selected the file, take a moment to review the import details. This is your chance to ensure everything is in order before proceeding. When you're ready, click Import to upload the statement. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Xero is processing your data to ensure accuracy. Once the import is complete, you'll find the transactions available in the bank account for reconciliation. This means you can now match these transactions against your records, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. And there you have it. That's how to import a bank statement into Xero. By following these steps, you can maintain accurate financial records with ease. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.